While going to the fair of Dingle, one fine morning last July, when going down the road before me, a red-haired girl I chanced to spy. I went up to her, said I, young lady, my donkey he will carry too. Well, seeing as how you have a donkey, to the Dingle Fair I'll ride with you. Now when we reached the town of Dingle, I had took her hand to say goodbye, when a tinker man stepped up beside me, and he belted me in my left eye.
Keep your hands up, Red Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning. Tonight we'll lie in a married bed.
Now I was feeling kind of peevish, and me poor old eye was sad and sore, and I gently tapped him with me hobnails, and he flew back through Murphy's door.
Keep your hands up, Red Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning. Tonight we'll lie in a married bed.
A policeman came around the corner, and he told me I had broke the law, when the donkey kicked him in the kneecap, and he fell down and broke his jaw.
Keep your hands up, Red Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning. Tonight we'll lie in a married bed.
Then he went off to find his brother, the biggest man you ever did meet, and he tapped me gently with his knuckles, and I was minus 2 front teeth.
Keep your hands up, Red Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll see the priest this very morning. Tonight we'll lie in a married bed.
Now the red-haired girl, she kept on smiling. I'll go with you, young man, she said. We'll forget the priest this very morning, and tonight we'll lie in Murphy's shed.
Keep your hands up, Red Mary, her and I will soon be wed. We'll forget the priest this very morning. Tonight we'll lie in Murphy's shed.
Now through the fair we're all together, my black eye and her red hair, smiling gaily at the tinkers, and begod we were a handsome pair.
Keep your hands up,